In 2024 we got a new edition of Kill Team, and with it comes a new big box called the Hivestorm. The outside is looking really great. We got the same art on the sides, and on the back we got some promises. It's really a complete experience. So let's open it. We got some nice looking sprues, spids. I think this is for the Aquilons, yes. If I'm correct, we will get multiple loadout choices for these units. We got some nice terrain. I really like the details here. Officially it's called the Volcus terrain. On the last sprue we got some equipment and measuring tools. Got some really nice looking packaging. I really like this detail. High quality playfield. And another nice looking package here. It's a little bit heavier. Oh yeah. I really like the artwork. Look at this. Awesome. It feels like a collector's edition or something like that. We got the rules. It's a full rule book. Some kind of Hivestorm dossier. Oh, it's an introduction for the game, for the miniatures in this box. Some inspiration to paint them. Awesome. Some lore. My god. I didn't expect something like this. This is really awesome. Some missions for introduction, I think. The data cards for the units. For abilities, everything in here. Another instructions to build the miniatures and the terrain. Then we got some markers in here. And some measuring tools here and objectives. And many more markers. The approved ops card pack. And finally, under this cover, we'll get some bases and some D6 dice. Standard for Games Workshop introduction boxes. I'm already excited to make the miniatures, paint them, and play with them. If you want to see some awesome Necron painting scheme, check out the video on the right side now.